Now how to redirect the input? So we can also redirect input to the program. So instead of just reading the character from the keyboard, a program reads it from the file. So let us see how it is done. So in order to redirect the input, we need to have a file containing something which is to be displayed. Some content has to be there. So suppose we have a file called this and it contains some lines. So we'll assume that using some text editor, we have placed content inside this, and we use this now in this input, this operator before the file. So we have this C util.exe. Now this is the operator before new poem.txt, and this content will be shown. So the lines are printed on the screen with no further effort on our part, and this using the redirection, we have made our util.c or util.exe perform the command function, which is the type command, because it is showing the content.